Hey, what's going on? You know who it is. It is Bruce Jordan, the Michael Jordan of Hotels. Thank you for joining us for another episode of the Hotel Insiders. Today we got Robert here from Clean the World. And he's going to show us what we need to do in the hotel to make sure we're doing our part to make sure the world stays clean. Robert, I ask everybody, how did you get started in this business?
Thank you so much. I started working in hospitality and hotels as a teenager.
Oh, nice.
So I started off washing dishes, bussing tables, making salads, doing everything that it's done. I've done every job that there is in a hotel or a restaurant aside from checking a guest in.
Nice. Well, speaking of that, I'm ready for a Caesar salad right about now. Now, what made you come up with this concept?
So this is actually the brainchild of our CEO. His name's Sean Seipler.
Mm-hmm.
So Sean was a tech executive and traveled the country 200 days a year thereabouts, and got to thinking one day what was happening with all of the soap in bottles of plastic bottles. So he called down to the desk and he asked them, and they were kind enough to let him know at that time, this is 14 years ago,
Mm-hmm.
that it just got thrown away.
Yeah.
So he started doing some math, and it was about 1 million bars of soap. If you just look at soap, 1 million bars of soap thrown away into a landfill every day.
And you can't burn it, you can't...
Well, I mean, you can burn it, but I mean, if there's a way to do something better with it, and that's what he figured out. He figured out a better way to do it, a better way to build a mousetrap.
Mm-hmm.
And now we're sending out and donating millions of bars of soap every year. Last year, we donated 7.1 million bars of soap to those in need.
Mm-hmm.
And our soap went all over the world, from the Ukraine to the Philippines to right here in Las Vegas.
Oh, wow, that is fantastic. How many bars of soap do you think we can save in a year if all the hotels got on board with the program?
We would be able to save 30, 40, 50 million bars of soap if we had all the hotels in North America on board right now. We're saving, and we produce 77 million bars of soap inception to date.
Nice.
So we are really ramping up our business and looking at a 10 million bar of soap a year mark. But if we had everyone on board, the sky's the limit.
Oh. Now, what does the hotel has to do? Like, what's the process as far as the soaps and the shampoos and everything else?
Super easy process. So when you're housekeeping and you're cleaning your guest room at the end of the day,
Mm-hmm.
you can pick up that bar of soap and you can put it in a trash bag,
Mm-hmm.
or you can put it in another little bag.
Okay.
So it's just getting put one bag or the other bag. And then the other little bag that you're storing it in, it goes back onto the housekeeping cart, and at the end of your shift, you just dump it into one of our boxes.
Okay.
We pay for the shipping, we send you the boxes. All you gotta do is fill the box up, slap that label on there and mail it to us, and we do everything else.
So it costs the hotel absolutely nothing?
There's a cost for it.
Okay.
So our cost for our program is about 75 to 85 cents per room per month for the program.
Okay.
But really and truly, when you look at places like that, they spend more money comping steaks in the steakhouse
Mm-hmm.
than they would do for our program.
Oh, man, that's amazing. That's amazing. When this whole thing launched, was it easy to just get hotels to come on board, or would you have to twist a couple of arms and put them in the Fort Nelson and headlock the...
So I've been with the company for a couple of years now, and I can tell you in my experience, our hotel partners love our mission. They love what we're doing, but there's always the cost involved, always kind of slows the process down a little bit. It's a part of our business that we have to live with. I know when Sean started the company, he was giving the program away for free.
Okay.
Just to get started, just to get his foot in the door and show people what we can do.
Oh, that's amazing.
But really and truly, at the end of the day, we're seeing a lot more hotel partners that are coming on board. We've got some great partnerships with some of the big brands.
Mm-hmm.
Hilton is one of our best supporters. They are fantastic partners to work with. They see the bigger picture,
Mm-hmm.
and they support us all the way through. So we see more and more hotels joining because of that as well.
What's the ideal situation that you see for yourself and the company in the hotels from this program?
I see our program becoming as big as the Red Cross for the hospitality industry.
I can see that. I can see that for sure. Well, listen, tell everybody how to get in touch with you.
Please reach out to us at cleantheworld.org. We have all of our information online. If you're a hotel and you'd like to sign up, we have a sign-up link online as well. And we are always available for any questions or comments. We've got some great reporting. We're here to help you make this an easy process and save lives along the way.
You heard it here first. This is Bruce Jordan, the Michael Jordan of Hotels, signing out. And thank you for joining us for another episode of Hotel Insider. We'll see you soon. This episode was brought to you by the Hotel Revenue Bible. the #1 hotel revenue book that has ever been written. It includes revenue management, digital ads, social media marketing, sales, catering, F&B, and more. Grab your copy today at hotelrevenuebible.com.